Welcome to a mesmerizing journey through the vast and mysterious blue realm that covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, the sea. Today, we will dive into the depths of this intriguing ocean to explore its uncharted wonders and discover the beauty that makes it essential for life on Earth. Picture yourself by the seaside, listening to the waves breaking gently. The sea, often referred to as the lungs of the planet, is an endless source of beauty and mystery. In this journey, we will unravel the secrets the sea holds and the vital importance it plays in our global ecosystem. Marine biodiversity refers to the variety of life that exists in aquatic ecosystems, including oceans, seas, estuaries, and other saltwater bodies. This diversity is crucial for the health of the planet, as oceans play a pivotal role in climate regulation, oxygen production, food supply, and many other ecosystem services. Marine biodiversity is incredibly rich and encompasses a wide range of organisms, from microorganisms to large mammals. Some of the main groups of living beings found in marine environments include phytoplankton and zooplankton, microorganisms that form the foundation of the marine food chain. Phytoplankton are photosynthetic organisms, while zooplankton are small animals that feed on phytoplankton. Fish. Oceans host an enormous variety of fish, ranging from small reef fish to large predators such as sharks and tuna. Many fish species play a crucial role in the food security of communities around the world. Marine invertebrates. This includes a variety of creatures such as corals, mollusks, crustaceans, starfish, sea urchins, and anemones. Coral reefs, in particular, are extremely diverse and important marine ecosystems. Marine mammals. Whales, dolphins, seals, and sea lions are examples of mammals that depend on marine environments for feeding, reproduction, and shelter. Seaweeds. In addition to phytoplankton, marine algae, such as macroalgae, play a vital role in oxygen production and in promoting the health of coastal ecosystems. Marine biodiversity faces significant threats, including overfishing, pollution, climate change, habitat destruction, among others. Overfishing, in particular, is a concern as it can lead to the depletion of fish populations and imbalance in marine ecosystems. Conserving marine biodiversity is essential to ensure the sustainability of oceanic resources and to preserve the overall health of the planet. Measures such as the establishment of marine protected areas, sustainable fisheries management, and pollution reduction are crucial to maintaining the integrity of marine ecosystems and ensuring the survival of the numerous species inhabiting these environments. The magic of coral reefs refers to the extraordinary and enchanting ecosystems formed by coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater structures made up of colonies of tiny animals called coral polyps. These polyps secrete calcium carbonate to create hard skeletons, which over time build up and form intricate and diverse reef structures. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea due to their incredible biodiversity and the vital roles they play in supporting marine life. Here are some key aspects that contribute to the magic of coral reefs. Biodiversity. Coral reefs are home to an incredibly diverse array of marine life, including various species of fish, invertebrates, sponges, and marine plants. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of the organisms create a visually stunning and captivating underwater world. Ecosystem services. Coral reefs provide numerous ecosystem services. They act as nurseries for many fish species, offer protection to coastlines from storms and erosion, and support the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on them for fishing and tourism. Symbiotic relationships. Coral polyps have a unique relationship with tiny algae called zooxanthellae. The algae live within the coral tissues and provide them with essential nutrients through photosynthesis. In return, the corals offer the algae a protected environment. This symbiotic relationship is crucial for the survival and growth of coral reefs. Reef formation. Coral reefs take thousands of years to form, with the slow growth of coral colonies contributing to the development of massive and complex reef structures. The shapes and sizes of reefs can vary, from barrier reefs to atolls, each with its own distinct charm. Threats and conservation. Unfortunately, coral reefs face numerous threats, including climate change, ocean acidification, overfishing, and pollution. These factors can lead to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel their symbiotic algae, resulting in the loss of vibrant colors and, in severe cases, the death of coral colonies. Conservation efforts, such as the establishment of marine protected areas and sustainable fishing practices, are crucial to preserving the magic of coral reefs. Appreciating and understanding the magic of coral reefs is essential for fostering global awareness and conservation efforts to protect these remarkable and fragile ecosystems. The science of the deep encompasses the study of the deep ocean, also known as the abyssal zone or deep sea environment. This area comprises the vast and largely unexplored regions of the ocean that extend beyond the continental shelf. The science of the deep involves various disciplines and research areas aimed at understanding the unique characteristics, biodiversity, geology, and ecological processes occurring in the deep ocean. Here are some key aspects of the science of the deep. Extreme environments. The deep ocean is characterized by extreme conditions, including high pressure, low temperatures, and total darkness. Exploring and studying these extreme environments require specialized technology and equipment, such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of the deep. Biodiversity. Contrary to early beliefs that the deep ocean was devoid of life, scientists have discovered a surprising and diverse array of organisms adapted to the extreme conditions. Unique and often bizarre species, such as deep-sea fish, giant tube worms, and bioluminescent organisms, inhabit these depths. Understanding the biodiversity of the deep is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of life on Earth. Deep-sea geology. The deep ocean floor is marked by underwater mountain ranges, abyssal plains, and deep-sea trenches. Geologists study the geological processes, including tectonic activity and seafloor spreading, to gain insights into Earth's geological history and the dynamics of the planet's crust. Biogeochemical cycles. The deep ocean plays a significant role in global biogeochemical cycles, including the carbon cycle. Organic matter from surface waters sinks to the deep sea, contributing to the sequestration of carbon. Understanding these cycles is crucial for comprehending the Earth's overall climate system. Deep sea technology. Advances in technology have been pivotal in advancing the science of the deep. ROVs and AUVs equipped with high-definition cameras, sensors, and sampling tools enable scientists to explore and document the deep sea environment. Satellite technology and underwater observatories also contribute to our understanding of the deep. But not everything is beauty. As time passes, pollution increases due to garbage thrown into the sea. Let's talk about this and other things that have been happening for a long time. The oceans play a fundamental role in the sustainability of the planet, providing a variety of essential ecosystem services. However, they face a range of challenges and responsibilities that demand global attention. Here are some of the main challenges and responsibilities associated with the oceans. Challenges: climate change. Increased greenhouse gas emissions contribute to global warming and ocean acidification. This affects marine ecosystems, causing coral bleaching, changes in species migration patterns, and threats to biodiversity. Overfishing. Overexploitation of fishery resources, often due to unsustainable fishing, threatens marine biodiversity, harms fish populations, and negatively impacts communities dependent on fishing for subsistence. Pollution. Marine pollution from plastic waste, toxic chemicals, agricultural nutrient runoff, and industrial discharges has serious impacts on the oceans. It harms marine life, degrades coastal habitats, and affects water quality. Habitat loss. The destruction of coastal habitats, such as mangroves and coral reefs, compromises the health of marine ecosystems. Uncontrolled urbanization and coastal development practices often result in the irreversible loss of these critical environments. Mineral exploration. The growing demand for minerals has led to increased mineral exploration on the ocean floor. This includes mining manganese nodules, polymetallic sulfides, and other activities that can cause irreversible damage to deep-sea marine ecosystems. Responsibilities. Biodiversity. Conservation. Preserving marine biodiversity is a crucial responsibility to maintain the resilience of oceanic ecosystems. This includes creating marine protected areas, establishing sustainable fishing practices, and reducing pollution. Mitigation and adaptation to climate change. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions and developing adaptation strategies are essential responsibilities to protect the oceans from the impacts of climate change. This includes promoting renewable energy, conserving coastal ecosystems, and enhancing climate resilience. Sustainable fisheries management. Implementing sustainable fishing practices, such as fishing quotas, protection of breeding areas, and combating illegal fishing, is crucial to maintain the health of fish populations and preserve marine ecosystems. Pollution reduction. Minimizing marine pollution requires implementing policies to reduce the use of disposable plastics, improving waste management, and controlling the discharge of toxic chemicals. Promotion of environmental education. Increasing awareness of the importance of oceans and the challenges they face is a fundamental responsibility. Environmental education can inspire individual and collective actions to protect and preserve the oceans. Responsibilities regarding the oceans are shared globally, and international collaboration is essential to address the challenges and ensure the sustainable health of these vital ecosystems. As we emerge from this underwater journey, we carry with us a deep appreciation for the wonders of the sea. May this knowledge inspire concrete actions to protect and preserve this majestic ocean. Together, we can ensure that the wonders of the sea continue to enchant and sustain life on our planet. Thank you for joining us on this underwater exploration. Until the next journey into the ocean of wonders.